This week, the question is, what is the status of the measles vaccine trial? And so this is a very interesting follow-up question. For those of you who have looked at these in the past, I have talked about the measles vaccine therapy. This was a dramatic therapy introduced by Dr. Stephen Russell over a year ago now, and has led to an ongoing trial at the Mayo Clinic. The dramatic results with the first patient were what caught attention, a patient who had relapsed, a lady who had had myeloma for a number of years and received this massive intravenous dose of measles vaccine using an engineered form of the measles virus. And so dramatic benefit, and as I understand it, this particular patient is continuing to do well. But the question is, what is happening with the trial, and what about all the other patients who've been in this trial? Well, it turns out that this trial has been accruing a little bit more slowly than had been anticipated, and this is because many myeloma patients have antibodies to the measles virus in their blood. And so what that means is that if you were to give a massive dose of engineered measles virus to such a patient, the antibodies in the blood would attack the virus, and some severe fever and other kinds of reactions can occur. And so to avoid this, the Mayo Clinic protocol has been restricted to really focus on patients where the antibody level is either zero or at an extremely low level. And so there is ongoing accrual in that trial, and we will be waiting to see the full results of that in due course. In the meantime, there is another very interesting trial which is starting using vesicular stomatitis virus. It's called VSV. And this is another type of virus which causes blistering on the lips and is not associated with any antibody production in the blood. And so this is a tremendous advantage. By using an engineered form of this virus, one can have an attack against the myeloma without a risk of these fever or allergic reactions. Dr. Martha Lacey is the principal investigator for this new trial, and we're expecting that this will be starting rather soon. And so there is a lot of excitement about these types of virus trials, and so please contact the IMF to find out about the current details about the measles therapy trial and the new VSV virus study.